Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making seafood tofu soup. All ingredients and measurements are in the description below. We'll be using a pre-packed hot pot seafood mix. You can find it in Asian markets or some grocery stores. You can buy any seafood assortment you like, or you can buy it individually. This is what I use, but I prefer fresh seafood in the market. You will need soft tofu, soybean paste, beef stock, pepper powder, and use fine or coarse. Minced garlic and white onions. Green onions for garnishing. These are optional: enoki mushrooms and egg. Add olive oil and pepper powder to your cooking pot, then turn on the heat to low to medium. Add garlic and onion, then saute for a minute or two. When garlic and onions are soft, add your patis or fish sauce. Add beef stock, soybean paste, mix until dissolved. Now add your tofu, then let it boil for 3 minutes. Adjust to your taste, then add black pepper. Now add your seafood. Let it boil for 3 minutes, then add the enoki mushrooms and green onions. Boil your enoki mushroom for a minute, then turn off the heat. Add green onions for garnishing. You can crack an egg into the stew right before serving while it's still boiling hot. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.